In this experiment number 3, orthographic projections, student is given pictorial view. They have to produce elevation, plan and left hand side view, or you can say front view, side view and top view from the given figure. Now you may use either third angle projection system or first angle projection system, whichever is given to you. Now in this exercise we are going to use first angle projection method system. So where this arrow indicate the front view, right? So in orthographic projection system, as you have learned in theory, you must able to decide the complete size of the given figure. So here the front view, we have highest size 145 and the vertical size is summation of 62 and 18, right? So it becomes the 80, right? And similarly it is depth of 72. So here we have box of 145, then 82, like this, 145, then 72 and 80. So here in front view we are going to draw like this, right? I hope you are you know how to draw the orthographic projections. So this will be our front view, right? In a top view we are going to draw like this, and we are going to drop this slot. Okay, on a front left hand side view we are going to draw in this manner. So hopefully with the assumption that you know how to draw front view, side view and top view, let's try to complete this exercise in Autocad. Now let's draw the front view first. So here I will draw a length of 145, then I will go up by 80, that which is a summation of 62 plus 18. Then I will move by 72, then I will move down by 62, then I will simply track over here and complete the front view, right? I will also draw this part, shift right click, perpendicular, right? So let's draw the rib. So length command, from here track 10 millimeter and shift right click, perpendicular up to this. Now let's draw the circle which has got diameter of 80, which is situated from the left edge as 30 and from the top 30. Sorry, from the top it is 32 and from the left it is 30. So circle, shift right click from, so this will be our point, shift at the rate 30 comma minus 32. Now diameter d space 30. Alright, now let's try to draw the top view and then we'll try to complete the slot. Okay, so here let's draw the top view. The width will be 72. Okay, and this will be the, let's track this part. Okay, and let's complete the box like this and like this. Now let's draw this part, right? So from here it is depth is 27. So complete up to shift right click, perpendicular. This is the part. Now let's draw from here to here, shift right click, perpendicular, right? Now let's try to draw the center line in a front view. So select the center line layer from here, like this, like this. Again repeat the center line options like this. Okay, now let's draw again same center line over here and let's draw the hidden line. For that, choose the hidden layer and choose the options offset. Now here select the through option, select the object. I will choose these options and up to this. Okay, I will choose this option and I'll go up to this. So this is called offset by through options. Now about detail you will learn in your lab class. Okay, now let's try to complete the slot. Now if you look at very carefully, the slot is having dimensions 22, 22 and it is drawn from the left edge. Okay, so here it is drawn from this top edge. So let's try to draw center line. So choose the center line first. From here it is 22. Okay, so this will be the length. Now let's offset it by 11. So O space 11. So this part and this part. Let's change the match property to match with the object line. So choose this part, this one and this one. Okay, now let's draw another line which is exactly at 22. So move it like this. Sorry, I have to use the object layer. So let's choose again. Okay, now let's offset it by 22. O space 22, like this. Now let's draw arc. So here choose this option, start, center and arc. Again start, center and end. So start, center and end. Now let's trim additional part. So TR space trim this one and this one. Let's remove this part and drop to the center line. Okay, let's drag little bit like this and save the drawings. Now let's complete this figure in front view. So let's extend the center line first like this. Okay, now let's copy that part. So the height will remain same to this. Now let's offset it. Choose the hidden layer. Then let's say right click through options. So choose this option up to this option up to this, and convert this to line and drop to the hidden layer. Now trim out additional part like this. If you feel that I am going little faster, you can pause the video and just go through the steps. You will get it, because in laboratory hours you are definitely going to learn what are the different settings of options of offset command and trim command, right? So after learning that, this will help you to complete this exercise. Now save the drawings. Now let's try to create the left hand side view. Okay, so choose the 0 layer. Now let's go over here and leave it by 25 distance. Okay, so let's try to complete the box of length, say 72, vertically by this much, and close it. Now look at this left hand side. What will we have? One more line from here. This is the line. Shift right click, perpendicular. Okay, now let's draw this object having 27 width. So from here I will go on a right side and up to this I will drop it. Okay, now let's trim this part because it is not going to be there, this part and the parts. Okay, now let's draw the rib like this. Now let's draw in the left hand side view the hidden view of a hole. For that, choose the hidden layer. Okay, and from here track it like this. So select, shift right click, perpendicular, right? Again same thing, select here, shift right click, perpendicular, right? Very simple. Then you can simply go to center line and start again center line and draw it like this. Okay, now let's also try to draw the projection of this slot in a left hand side view, but here we have to take care first, right? So here we are going on a right side by 22 distance like this. So let's expand little bit. Now let's draw the offset, the hidden edges of this slot, which has got 22 dimensions. So 11 will be the offset margin. Okay, so 11, this and this. Okay, using match property command, I will simply convert them into hidden line, and then I will trim this part, this part and this part. So I think the job is over. We have completed the orthographic drawing of given part. This is how you can draw, right? You may have a different methods, but I think this is the simplest way. Once you understand what is orthographic projection system, you can draw the front view, then from the top you can project on a top view, and from the front view you can project on a left hand side view or right hand side view. I hope student you'll find very useful.